Hi, welcome back to SLS Academy. Now we are going to do this question, which is actually question number 62 in CENGAGE for JEE Mains edition 3 under complex numbers. All right, so here as you can see, 2x equals minus 1 plus root 3i. So before we get on to what that is, we have to know that omega is equal to 1 comma minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. And how do we know that? Because we know omega is a cube root of unity in this case. So omega cube is equal to 1. Therefore, omega cube minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is of the form a cube minus b cube. So omega minus 1 into omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. Omega minus 1 equal to 0, obviously, because omega is equal to 1. We know that's one of the roots. And omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. On solving this quadratic equation, we get these two roots. So we know omega is also equal to these two roots. And also, we are going to use this result here. How, you might ask? Because as you can see here, 2x is equal to minus 1 plus root 3i. Now you can even pause the video and try to find out if x can somehow be related to omega. Congratulations if you have found that out. So x can be said as minus 1. Oh, that one was a bit too curvy there. All right, minus 1 plus root 3i by 2. And can you recognize this? This is nothing but omega. So now you know x is equal to omega. So wherever x is given in the question, you can substitute omega there. So you have 1 minus omega square plus omega the whole power 6 minus 1 minus omega plus omega square the whole power 6. And as you can see, we know omega square plus omega plus 1 equals 0. So 1 plus omega is actually minus omega square. So minus omega square minus omega square. This is already there. All right. Similarly, 1 plus omega squared can be said as minus omega, right? Because 1 plus omega square, you keep it here, take the omega to the other side, and you have omega minus omega power 6, which leaves us with minus 2 omega square power 6 minus of minus 2 omega power 6. Yep, and 2 power 6, actually minus 2 power 6 becomes 2 power 6, obviously, because it's an even power. So it's just 2 power 6 into omega power 12 minus 2 power 6 into omega power 6. We know omega is the cube root of 1. So any powers of omega, when the power is a multiple of 3, the value of that is 1. So you have just 2 power 6 minus 2 power 6, because 12 is also a multiple of 3, 6 is also a multiple of 3. So you get 0. That's the answer for this question. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. Also, tell me if you were able to find the answer for the moment that we paused. Thank you. See you again.